हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल बी अ प्रोग्रामर में। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी अबाउट अ विप्रो जॉब प्रोफाइल. व्हाट इज दिस जॉब प्रोफाइल? हाउ कैन वी अप्लाई इन दिस जॉब प्रोफाइल? Basically, what is the work in this, and what are the advantages that Wipro is giving? What are the things Wipro is giving to you when you get selected in this interview, in this for this job profile? What are the things you will be getting? We will discuss everything, starting from eligibility, what is the job role, everything, what is the salary package, and what is a practical thing, that is how to register for the job and how to apply for this job. Everything will be shown practically. So let's start with the video. So the job profile name is DWSD, that is Digital Workspace Service Desk. This is the name of the job profile. What is the eligibility? Firstly, let's see the what is the eligibility. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, we are posting regular updates on jobs, on profiles or interviews. So if you want to get notified about the job profiles, what are the job notifications that are out, what are the latest jobs that are out, and what is the thing, that is what is the interview criteria, what are the interview questions are there. So just subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon too. If you get an when we upload a video, you will get a notification for sure. And we have uploaded more videos on Byju's, on Amazon, on Flipkart. So just have a look. Every link is being given in the description. Just check out the link in the description. Let's start with the video. So let's see what is the first thing, that is the eligibility criteria. What is the eligibility criteria? The first thing, that is 50 or above in the 10th and 12th and UG. That is, you need to score about what is your percentage in 10th, 12th and UG. That is a graduation. That is 50% or above 50%. That is the minimum criteria, eligibility criteria, first eligibility criteria. Second is you want to be a like you have to be a 2020 pass out. Only 2020 pass outs are eligible. Like who have been pass out in 2020, they are only eligible for this job. Then the third, that is which all degrees are available. First, BCom, BBA, BBM, BMS, BA, BSc in economics only. So these are the degrees that are eligible for this. These people will be eligible who have done these degrees and are pass out in 2020. Then the third thing is no active backlogs. Suppose you are giving the test. Suppose you are getting you have filled the form, but you have a backlog now. But when the selection procedure starts, you have to clear that backlog before the selection procedure. So you just need to clear that all. No active backlogs are allowed in this job. And what is the third thing, that is maximum 3 years of study gap between 10th and graduation. That is maximum of 3 years, not more than that. Between graduation gap must not be there more than 3 years. Now let's see everything practically, what we can do, how can we apply, what are the practical things, what is the job role. We will see everything on the Wipro site. And let's start with the application process also, how to apply. Everything will be told in this video. So watch this video till the end. So we are on the Chrome now. Just go to a search and just paste a link. This link will be provided in the description also, so you just need not to worry about anything. This link will be provided in the description also. When we enter this link, a site will be opened of Wipro careers, that is DWSD. So see, this is the main site of Wipro where we can apply for DWSD, that is careers Wipro / DWSD. This link will be given in the description also, so you need not to worry about this thing. And let's start with the what are the overview. The first thing we will discuss about the advantage. I was telling about the advantage na. So what Wipro is giving the advantage. So first thing, what is the advantage? Read here, what is the overview. Digital working space, that is the full form of the your profile, job profile. Digital workspace service desk is a unique which offers BCom, BBA. These are the degrees that are available, and to build a remarkable career at Wipro. And you can also pursue your higher education, that is in executive postgraduate diploma in business management. This is the name of the post graduation diploma that you are going to get, and it will be full sponsored by Wipro, and it will be in your premier institute, India's premier institute, like BITS Pilani or whatever the institute be, which have this course. Then they will teach you online. Distance course will be given by Wipro itself, and all the things, all the education cost, everything will be managed by Wipro. Your education will be sponsored by Wipro. So let's see the eligibility criteria. We have seen the eligibility criteria before, but let's see again. So this was a basic eligibility criteria that we have discussed before in the video. So what is the things that we need to discuss? That is This is a full time. It is a regular education which you have given your 10th and 12th. That is a full time, and it is given by the central government or CBSC, ICSC. These are the boards that are eligible. CBSC, ICSC, UP board, all state boards, and NIOS also, that because that is approved by the government. And no active backlogs. What are the things? You can also check out these things. These are the basic things that you can check out on this link. It will be given in the description also. And let's see that what is the selection, and see one more thing, that it is written here that candidates who have participated in any selection process held by Wipro in the last 3 months are not eligible. Like, you are not eligible if you have filled anything, like if you have filled any form related to Wipro, for any job role in last 3 months. Okay. And let's see the job profile, basic job profile. What is the job requirements? Basic computer knowledge is of troubleshoot the desktop and laptop and answering support. So let me tell you what is the basic job. The basic job is of, so suppose like you have been selected for this job role. Okay, you are the DSWD, this for the Wipro. Now what we have to do? So you will actually do a customer support. It is a customer support, international customer support. So suppose you have a client, Wipro has a client who is getting some issues in troubleshooting the laptop, in his laptop or desktop, anything, or any software of Wipro, anything, he is facing any issue. So he will call. If he calls, then you have to answer him and solve that all issues. Your proper training will be given and you will be able to solve all the issues. This is the basic thing that we have to do. And these are the things that are written, that willing to work 25/7 and rotational shifts and 5 days a week will be there. And what is the stipend in this? You can read these things. That I will give the link in the description also. You can also see by yourself also. And see one thing, excellent communication skill required, as you will be working in international voice support. This is the basic job role. Excellent communication skill is demanded by Wipro, and basic computer knowledge is required related to your desktop, laptop, or troubleshooting various errors. Not very detailed, but basic errors. And what are the things? So let's see what is the basic stipend. This is the basic stipend, that is for first year stipend 15,488 per month. For 2 years, in the second year, after 1 year, you will get 17,553. After in the third year, you will get 19,618. That is the basic salary or stipend that we can say you are getting in this job role. And what is the service agreement? That is of 36 months. 36 when you join for, suppose you have given the interview, you have got selection, and suppose you have accepted the offer letter. So you will get a agreement. A bond will be signed by you, that is of 36 months. So you can't leave the company before 36 months, or if you leave the company, you have to pay a price. There is a price that you have to pay for breaking that bond. Okay, now what is the selection procedure? Basic selection procedure. That is basic. First one will be there, group discussion. GD round will be there for understanding your communication skills, testing your communication skills. What is your communication skills? How you talk? How can you communicate with other people? How can you put your points? These all things will be covered in your GD round. If you clear this round, you will be shifted to your technical interview. Okay, you will be shifted to your technical interview. This is the second round. And if you clear your technical interview, a basic technical interview will be there. Then you have to go to HR round. So these are the basic things that you have to clear. That is the basic selection procedure. And let me tell you that this job role is very good if you are if you want to do your masters also. If you have done your if you have done your UG, undergraduate has been done by you. Now you want to pursue a master's. Suppose a master's you want to pursue, then you can pursue a master's in executive postgraduate diploma in business management. Suppose you are a business student, then this job role will be very good for you, and it is premium, and you will get education in a premier institute, and it will be given by Wipro itself. Every cost, everything will be given by Wipro itself. So now let's see how can we apply for this job. When we click on apply now, a page will come in front of it, that is synergy.wipro.in. Wipro, it is a basic profile that where you have to register yourself as a candidate. This is the basic thing that you have to do. Very basic things, that is Aadhaar card number will be take your Aadhaar card first, sit with the Aadhaar card, and you have to fill that number too. So keep your Aadhaar card with you. First thing, your name as per your Aadhaar card, same spelling, nothing can be changed. And what is the second thing that we have to fill all these details. That is the basic information. Then talking about the education details. Now suppose you are filling for the 10th. So registration state, like I am from UP, I have done my like 10th from UP, so I will fill UP here. And what we have to do now, registration number is basic. You can fill the roll number. What was your roll number before? That is the registration number, and name of your school. These are the basic things. You cannot switch to engineering. As non-engineering job, it is a non-technical job. You can't switch to engineering. So just don't try to do that, because it will not be because it will not allow you to switch between engineering and non-engineering. This university registration number is your university roll number that you have getting from the university, that if you give an exam, that you get from the university itself. And these are the basic things that you need to fill. And your preferred job work locations. This is the formality. These are the job location: Bangalore, Bhubaneswar, Cochin, Coimbatore, Gurgaon, Hyderabad, Kolkata. These are the job locations. You can fill according to your preference. And in the applicant signature, you just need to fill your name and register. These are the basic things that you need to do. And you can track your application from when you register. You can track your application from there only. So these are the basic things that you can do, and these are the basic things, and you can apply for this job by these steps. So in this video, we discuss everything about the job role, what is the eligibility criteria, everything related to how can we apply, what is the procedure of applying, what are the interview procedures, what are the rounds are there. We have discussed everything in this video. So if you like the video, please support our channel. Please like the video. Please subscribe our channel for these kind of job interview notifications, as we are uploading videos regularly. So just just click on the notification bell also, so that you can get the notification as we upload the video. You can also follow us on Instagram. My Instagram handle is in the description also, and it is being displayed on the screen also. So thank you for watching this video. If you want more videos like this, just like our video and comment down if you like this video, and if you are facing any issue regarding anything, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.